So I'm going to show you how to disable text message forwarding on your iPhone. Now, text message forwarding is basically a feature that allows other devices signed in to the same Apple ID as your iPhone to receive your text messages. So you can read your messages on your Mac or on your MacBook and even respond to them from right there. Now, to disable that, simply go to settings, and then under settings, scroll all the way down to apps, tap on that, and then find messages. So just scroll and find the messages app. There you go, tap on it. And in the messages app, of course, you have iMessage enabled, and that's how this is possible. But if you scroll down past that, you will see text message forwarding, and you can see I have one device enabled. So I can tap on that, and then you can turn off text message forwarding on all your Apple devices signed in with the same Apple ID. So for instance, I have a MacBook and a Mac Mini. I can turn off for each one of them separately. Thanks for watching, and good luck.